Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable Bing a Chat AI and Windows search. Bing AI Chat is a function that incorporates AI generated chat, and some of the variety reasons include inaccuracy, privacy concerns, and unwanted distractions, and lack of control. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable Bing AI chat in Windows search. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then we need to type settings, and then click open. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation pane, and then we need to select this privacy and security and then click. And then on right side, you can see this Windows permissions. So under here, then you need to scroll down and then you need to select search permissions and then click. So here in search permissions and then under at cloud content search, you can see this Microsoft account. So all you have to do is to toggle off or disabled. So you can see this button and then you need to turn off. Alright. And hope to resolve the problem. But if the error still persists, and the next solution that we're going to do is to disable Bing web search results. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select again this privacy and security and then click. And on right side and then under at Windows permissions, and then you need to select here the search permissions again and then click. So here in search permission settings, and then you need to scroll down and then you need to find this more settings. Then you can say this show search highlights. All you have to do is to toggle off or disable the settings and then click. Alright, so that's it guys on how to disable Bing Chat AI in Windows search. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.